Modern home security means flexibility. The Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart DeadBolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the Ultraloq Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt. Pre-order now on Indiegogo.